Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to do chapter number 6, fractions. Exercise 6.3. So first question is, we have to tell which one is greater or lesser. So here 7 by 9 and 8 by 9 is there. So the denominators of both are same. So whenever the denominators are same, we just see the numerator. Whichever is the greater, that will be greater. So 8 is greater, so that's why 8 by 9 is greater than 7 by 9 in fractions. Okay. In C, you can see 11 by 19 and 11 by 12. Here the numerators are same but the denominators are different. So whenever the numerators are same and the denominators are different, we see the reverse, means whichever is smaller, that will be the larger. Okay, so 11 by 12 is a larger fraction than 11 by 19. Okay, then comes question number 2. Here 2 by 3 and 5 by 7 we have to compare. Here both are different. The numerators are also different and the denominators are also different. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the LCM of 3 and 7. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7. So 3 sevens are 21. So 21 will be the LCM. Now 2 by 3, we have to make the denominator 21. That is the LCM. So 3 sevens are 21. Now 2 also will be multiplied with 7. Whatever the denominator is multiplied, the numerator will also be multiplied with that. So it will be 2 into 7, that is equals to 14 by 21. Now 5 by 7. Now again we have to make the denominator 21. Okay, so make them equal. So 7 3s are 21. Now 5 3s are 15. So 15 upon 21. Now we can see 14 by 21 is greater or 15 by 21 is greater. 15 is greater. So that's why 15 by 21 will be greater than 14 by 21. And 15 by 21 is what? It is 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3. Okay. Next is question number 3. Here we have to write these fractions in ascending order. Means from the less to the greater. Okay. Again, all the numbers are different. So first of all, we have to make the denominators equal. How to make it? Find the LCM. So LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20 we will write like this. Now with the table of 5 we will do 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Now 2 and 4 comes in the table of 2. So we'll do 2, 1 will be like that only, 2 1s are 2, 3 will be written like that only, 2 2s are 4. Now 3 and 2 doesn't come in any table, so we'll write like that. So 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, now that will be equals to, okay, so 3 into 4. I have taken here 4, you can either take 2 also. Okay, and if you are taking 4 also, then also it will be correct. Okay, but normally you should take 2 because it is 2 here, so here we should take 2. Okay, or you can multiply with any consecutive number so that we will get all the numbers same. So here we get 120. Means 120, it comes in the table of 5 also, it comes in the table of 10 also, it comes in the table of 15 also, it comes in the table of 20 also. Just we have to understand that we have to make the denominators equal. Okay, now how much 5, how much is 120? 5 24s are. So we'll write 120. Now we'll multiply the numerator also with 24. So it will be 72 by 120. Now 7 by 10 into 12 by 12. So 10 into 12 is 120 again. 7 into 12 is equals to 84. Now 15 8s are 120. 13 8s are 104. 26 are 120. 9 6 are 54. Now you can see all the denominators have become equal. Okay, you can do it instead of 120 we can write 60 also. 60 also comes in all the tables. Okay, so you can do with 60. But here I have done with 120. That is also correct. No problem with that. We'll get the same answer. So now we will see which one is the lesser and which one is the greatest one. So here you can see the least is 54. So we'll write 54 by 120, then 72 by 120, then 84 by 120, then 104 by 120. Okay, so 54 by 120 is what? 9 by 20, then 3 by 5, then 7 by 10, then 13 by 15. So this is the least one and this is the greatest one. Okay, so this is ascending order. Now is question number 5. Here we have to find 1 by 3 of 360. Of means multiply. So 1 by 3 into 360 is equals to 120. Now 1 by 6 of 1 minute. When 1 minute is given and we cannot cut 6 with 1, so we will just convert this into seconds. So it will be 6 10s are 60. Okay, so the answer will be 10 seconds. Question number 6. Here fraction of pizza that Rima ate is given 5 by 8. Fraction of pizza that Sahil ate is given 7 by 12. Now we have to find who ate more. Okay, so who ate more? Again, we have to find which fraction is greater. So whenever we have to compare, we have to find the LCM. So again, LCM of 8 and 12, that is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 24. Now 8 3s are 24, so 5 3s are 15, 15 by 24. 12 2s are 24, 7 2s are 14, so 14 by 24. Now which one is greater? 15 by 24 is greater. Therefore 5 by 8 is greater than 7 by 12. Therefore who ate more? 5 by 8 is eaten by Rima. So Rima has eaten more pizza. Now question number 8. Here total strength of the class is given and fraction of the students who like mathematics is given. We have to find how many students like mathematics. Okay, so that will be 1 by 5 of 50. Means 1 by 5 into 50, that is equals to 10 students. Now question number 10. Here Mohit's pocket money is given. How much is given to him? 600. And from that he spends 5 by 6 of it in his stationery. Okay, so how much amount? We have to find the money, how much he spent in stationery. And this is given in fraction. Again, the same like in 8th. 5 by 6 of 600, we have to find it out. That will be 6 1 6, 600 multiply. So 5 into 100, that is equals to 500. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.